Hi, it's Nick Bond from Harcourts, and today I'm extremely proud to welcome you to Wincanton. Wincanton is one of the Huon Valley's original homesteads, built by the Parsons family in 1907 and offering so many of the original features still today. It's almost like stepping back in time as you walk through the front door. As you step inside from the wide open verandas into this beautiful original hallway, you see the LED light windows, the original floorboards, high ceilings, cornices, archway, and many of the beautiful features lost in modern architecture. The home offers multiple formal and informal living and dining spaces, a flexible layout, and even a separate wing that's fully self-contained on the northern end. Most of these rooms have stunning views out to the magnificent gardens that Wincanton is locally renowned for. The centrepiece to Wincanton's magnificent gardens is this 1927 built water fountain. There are also many stone walls that you rarely see in properties in the Huon Valley. So many trees that are around 100 years old that tower over these beautiful gardens and are mostly deciduous, with oaks and poplars and Japanese maples, many shrubs, flowers and beautiful plants that are all surrounded by macrocarpa hedges that create your own private sanctuary here at Wincanton. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video and see some of the things that are available here at this amazing property. I'd love to show you through at a private inspection at your convenience to see all of the amazing features that Wincanton has to offer.